Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to pause a TikTok live stream. It's very easy, so let's get started. Now the first step today guys is to open your TikTok app and then click on the plus sign at the bottom of your screen. Now we have to select the live option and click on the go live button. So once you are live, just like this, all right, let's wait for it to load completely. Right, so once you're live just like this, what you have to do is to click on the three dots at the bottom right corner, and then you'll find this option to pause live. Tap on it, and there it says your live will freeze after you pause. In each live you can pause up to 3 times and 5 minutes each, so it's going to be paused for only 5 minutes and you just have only 3 times to post. Right, so that's how it works. So click on the pause to pause. So guys, this is how you can pause your TikTok live stream. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.